Welcome to this video on creating impactful product demos. Today, we'll explore how to craft visual content that effectively showcases your solutions. So what is a product demo? In digital marketing, it's a dynamic video that shows how your solution works. It uses simple visual storytelling, solves problems directly, and stays customer-centric by highlighting real benefits. Visual storytelling is key. Instead of just describing features, show them in action. By demonstrating your product solving a common friction point, you turn technical specifications into immediate, desirable benefits for your audience. A great demo has two main objectives: to teach and to build trust. It clarifies complex workflows through simple, sequential visuals, and it provides empirical proof that removes uncertainty for the buyer. Next, let's discuss the core writing principles. When writing your script, the goal is to create compelling copy that elevates your visual content without getting in the way. Follow these three rules. Keep it short to match the pace of modern channels, use action words to drive interest, and keep it simple by avoiding complex industry jargon.
Thank you for watching this video. We hope these insights help you create better product demos. You can find the image sources listed on this final slide.